Hello everyone, we are researchers from the DS Lab at GIST, Gwangju Institute of Science and Technology. We would like to present a web application called O2ARC version 3.0, a platform for solving and creating ARC tasks. Before getting started, what grid should be in the question mark? Though the instructions are barely given, the humans are able to solve it easily. The answer to this task is this. Humans are also capable of explaining why the answer should look like this. In the first pair, the light blue snowflake appeared 3 times and red V-shaped pattern appeared 2 times. Then below the arrow, the result becomes the light blue snowflake. In the second pair, the answer is the yellow one that appeared 4 times. In the third pair, the answer is a light blue cross that appeared 2 times. According to the patterns from the 3 pairs, we can formulate the rule of this task is to get a 3x3 pattern that appears the most common in the grid. Thus the answer of the last grid becomes the red pattern. This IQ test looking puzzle you have just checked is an example task of an ARC benchmark. Abstraction and Reasoning Corpus, ARC for short, was invented by François Chollet in 2019 with a paper on the measure of intelligence. As written, ARC is to measure the intelligence of AIs, and the reason for this is to make them more intelligent and more human-like. A lot of research has been studied since the birth of the ARC, but yet the performance of a computer for solving it is not considered as satisfactory. To understand the human solving process and to collect additional tasks, we present O2ARC, a platform for solving and creating ARC tasks. The address O2ARC.com is available on the internet. It is mainly developed on Chrome browser, so there might be some bugs in different environments. Here, in the landing page, users are only allowed to see the thumbnails of the ARC task by scrolling. In the very top navigation bar, users can access the Solve, Create, Leaderboard, and My Page tab without an error after signing in. Registering to this application is easy. If you are first visiting this page, click Sign In, then click the text if you are new to O2ARC, sign up. Type in an email address and password. The password should be more than 8 characters. Then click Sign Up and then Sign In to enter. You are now good to go. When the Solve menu is clicked, users will be given a random task to solve. Navigating to the next and previous questions is possible by clicking the arrow button on the top. Also, putting a task ID into the search bar is one way to approach it directly. Clicking a thumbnail on the main page is another way to access the Solver tool. The Solver tool interface has 3 columns. On the left, users can see demonstration pairs which are to recognize the pattern. In the mid column, they can check the test input grid that the result originated from. Time spent and number of actions they used in this task can be checked in below. On the right, there is an output grid that users need to change and submit. Below the grid, basic functions for solving the ARC such as grid side change, rotate, flip, move, undo or redo, and color palette are available. By hitting the red Help button, they can check some instructions for using those functions. From now, I will show you how to solve a task using these keys provided on the interface. Task number 79 is the one that I introduced in the very beginning of the video. The answer is 3x3 grid, and the pattern is in the grid. Of course, it is possible to click one by one to color it manually. But there is a copy and paste function that will help you doing repeating jobs. First, select the area, and press Command-C to copy. Then click the left top pixel that you would like to paste, and press Command-V to paste. Environment other than Mac, the key is Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Oh no, I accidentally pressed the left arrow key on the keyboard before the submission. In this case, the number of hearts will decrease because the answer is incorrect. To revert the mistake, you can press the undo button on the screen or press Command or Ctrl-Z on the keyboard. If you submit the correct answer, the score for your solution will be computed, and according to the score, maximum 3 stars will be shown on the results screen. On the left, the leaderboard will be displayed and you will see other users' rank of solving this task. Additionally, when a user solves at least 25 questions, the IQ will be displayed. These things on the results screen are the gamification factor that motivate players to solve more tasks. According to the event using this application, we were able to see many players who were influenced by these points and compete with each other. O2ARC provides 3 types of leaderboard pages: accumulated score, number of created tasks, and accumulated number of likes that the user created tasks got. Creator tool has the same basic function as the solver tool. In this page, users are to create valid tasks freely. I have made a simple task of making a blue chessboard pattern depending on the grid size, starting from the left top. At least 4 pairs are asked to be created, and additional pairs could be generated by clicking the New Pair Plus button. To prevent the quality drop of the created tasks, a confirmation window pops up and the users are to recheck their product and then submit. After the submission, other users can see all the creations, and they can press the like or dislike button to evaluate the validity of the task. Lastly, all the activity results are available on my page. It can be accessed by clicking the ID of your account on the rightmost button on the navigation bar. This is the end of the demonstration video. Thank you so much.